TV technology has evolved at a rapid pace over the last few years, with Mini LED becoming one of the most compelling options for anyone looking to step up from traditional LED panels. TCL has been at the forefront of that evolution. From QLED to QD-Mini LED televisions introduced in previous generations to its latest 2026 Super Quantum Dot Mini LED lineup, TCL has continued to push for brighter displays, more precise local dimming, and wider color reproduction. The focus on display innovation has also helped TCL establish itself as a major player in the local market. TCL has been recognized as the #1 panel TV brand in the Philippines for 3 consecutive years. The challenge, however, isn't just making a brighter television. It's delivering a picture that's consistently immersive, whether we're watching blockbuster movies, binging shows on streaming platforms, or squeezing in a few hours of gaming after work. The TCL C7L is positioned as one of the company's premium mini LED offerings, combining its latest Super Quantum Dot Mini LED technology, a native 144Hz panel, Bang & Olufsen audio, and Google TV into a package that aims to compete with more established premium TV brands. After spending some time with the 55-inch TCL C7L as our primary entertainment display, here's how it performed. One thing TCL has been consistently improving over the years is industrial design, and the C7L immediately gives off the impression of a premium television. The ultra-slim build paired with thin bezels keeps our attention where it should be, on the screen itself. Even when powered off, it looks modern enough to blend into contemporary living spaces without dominating the whole room. While those planning to wall mount it will appreciate just how thin the panel looks from the side. Around the back are the usual connections, including HDMI 2.1 ports with eARC support, USB, Ethernet, optical audio out, and even antenna inputs. Setup is equally painless. Google TV walks you through the initial configuration in just a few minutes, especially if you're already using an Android phone. Signing into your Google account automatically pulls in your apps, subscriptions, and recommendations, making the transition feel seamless. Overall, there's very little to complain about from a design standpoint. The C7L looks every bit like a flagship television should. The display is unquestionably the highlight of the TCL C7L. Unlike conventional LED televisions that rely on larger backlight zones, the C7L uses TCL's Super Quantum Dot Mini LED technology together with precise local dimming to produce deeper blacks, brighter highlights, and far better control over contrast. Instead of simply making the screen brighter, the result is a picture with noticeably more depth. Watching HDR content is where the TV really starts to shine. Whether it's sunlight reflecting off buildings, explosions during action scenes, or bright landscapes in nature documentaries, highlights remain punchy without overwhelming surrounding details. At the same time, darker scenes retain excellent shadow detail, allowing subtle textures and objects to remain visible instead of disappearing into crushed blacks. The combination of quantum dot color technology and the HVA panel also pays dividends. Colors appear vibrant without looking overly saturated, while skin tones remain natural across different types of content. The C7L isn't trying to exaggerate colors just to catch your eye. Instead, it delivers an image that feels clean, refined, and appropriately cinematic. Another strength is brightness. Even in a fairly well-lit room, reflections rarely become distracting, allowing HDR content to maintain its impact during daytime viewing. This makes the TV equally enjoyable whether you're watching movies at night or streaming YouTube during the afternoon. Upscaling deserves some praise as well. Much of the content people watch every day still isn't native 4K. Yet, lower resolution videos remain surprisingly clean thanks to TCL's AIPQ processor. Streaming services, live TV broadcasts, and even older YouTube videos benefit from sharper detail without looking artificially processed. Motion handling is another area where the TCL C7L performs well. Its native 144Hz panel keeps camera pans smooth during sports broadcasts while reducing judder in fast-moving scenes. Action sequences remain easy to follow without excessive blur, and animation benefits from the added fluidity. Gaming also benefits from the high refresh rate. For our testing, we connected a gaming laptop via HDMI and enabled the TV's Game Master features. Support for HDMI 2.1, variable refresh rate, auto low latency mode, and high refresh rate gaming helps create a responsive experience with controls feeling immediate and gameplay remaining smooth throughout extended sessions. Input lag never became a distraction, making the C7L equally capable for casual single-player games and more competitive multiplayer titles. The built-in Bang & Olufsen speaker system is another welcome surprise. Dialogue remains clear even without enabling subtitles, making movies and TV shows easy to follow. The soundstage also feels wider than what you'd typically expect from a slim television. Bass is respectable considering the TV's thin profile, adding enough weight to movie soundtracks and action sequences without sounding muddy. Would we still recommend a dedicated soundbar? For home theater enthusiasts, absolutely. However, for many households, the built-in speakers are good enough that purchasing a soundbar isn't an immediate necessity, which is a compliment only a few televisions can honestly earn. Google TV continues to be one of the better smart TV platforms available today. Navigation feels responsive, app launching is quick, and finding content across YouTube and other streaming platforms is straightforward. Chromecast support makes it easy to cast videos or presentations directly from compatible devices. After several days of use, the interface remained responsive with no significant slowdowns, making it easy to jump between streaming apps without frustration. What ultimately makes the TCL C7L stand out isn't a single specification. There are three areas that stand out most to us: premium viewing, gaming, and sound quality. For premium viewing, thanks to its super quantum dot mini LED technology, precise local dimming, and high brightness, movies and HDR content provide plenty of depth, blacks look pretty good, and colors have enough vibrancy without making everything look artificial. Just make sure to dial in the right settings, but then again, to each their own. But to most people, that just means watching pretty much anything on this TV is a visual treat. For gaming, the 144Hz panel, HDMI 2.1, VRR, ALLM, and Game Master features make this another solid buy for users who want to enjoy AAA titles or game competitively on a bigger screen. OLED still has the advantage in pixel response time, so competitive gamers who are particularly sensitive to motion blur may want to look elsewhere. But for a more versatile gaming and entertainment setup, the C7L is a very capable option at a good budget. Finally, there's the sound quality. The Bang & Olufsen system doesn't replace a dedicated home theater setup, but it does mean you don't have to immediately add a soundbar just to get enjoyable audio. Dialogue is clear, there's enough bass to give movies some weight, and the overall sound is a good match for the quality of the display. The C7L strikes an excellent balance between flagship performance and value. The TCL C7L is available in 55, 65, 75, and 85-inch models. At the time we recorded this video, we spotted the 55-inch model priced at 69,991 pesos from Abenson and 64,495 pesos from Anson's. Prices may vary by dealer and promotional period, so we recommend checking with all authorized TCL dealers for the latest pricing and offers to get the most bang for your peso. At around 65,000 pesos, depending on the retailer, the TCL 55C7L positions itself as a compelling option for buyers looking to experience premium mini LED technology without venturing into significantly more expensive flagship territory. If you're shopping for a high-end 4K TV that excels across movies, streaming, and gaming, while also giving you capable built-in audio and a straightforward smart TV experience, the TCL C7L deserves a place on your shortlist. But hey, what do you guys think of the TCL C7L? Let us know in the comments section below. And if you enjoyed this video, found it informative or educational, be sure to smack that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit that bell icon so you get notified of our future uploads. Be sure to visit yugotech.com and follow us on our socials for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, This was the TCL 55 C7L. I'm Miguel T, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers!